Ibrahim, congratulations again for your achievement for the your home loan is approved now and मैं आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आपका फीडबैक
Sure.
अबाउट अवर सर्विसेज हाउ डिड यू गाइस फेल्ट एंड आपको ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस गुरु मॉर्गेज ब्रोकर्स के साथ कैसा रहा?
Yeah, sure. First of all, thank you so much
You're welcome.
for making the process so smooth and easy for us.
You're welcome.
Um, we have only moved very recently to Perth, and we don't really know a lot of people over here. But then
From where did you move?
we moved from Melbourne. We lived
Okay.
in Melbourne for 10 years.
Okay.
Um, and then because we want to raise our kids in a much better weather was appealing for us,
That's good.
which was one of the reasons to move here. And we did. We have two young kids, and we are seeing a brighter future here in Perth. Hence, we made the move. But when we did, we always property was one of the things that we always want to
Want to get
acquire.
in.
Yeah. So part of raising family, it's a main part of it is home, right? So when we were looking for property buying process, naturally we know we have to go through mortgage brokers, and we moved to Harrisdale, and luckily when we were looking up for mortgage brokers around, we found Guru Mortgage Broking Firm,
Ah, okay.
and that's how we got in contact with you, and then the whole process had started.
Right.
Yeah.
So, guys, I want to tell you that Ibrahim is from IT professional, and he already has done a lot of research on the properties, and he was doing a lot of information was there. But I think when we had a talk, we sat down and we discussed other options and opportunities.
Yeah.
And your, I think, your reaction was very quick to understand and how to apply, how to arrange each and every documents or the funds and everything. So, um, what do you think? How was your experience with us in the turnaround time? Did you get all the information required in specific time, or there was any delay?
There's no delay as such. So the first assessment meeting itself had cleared a lot of things for us, because it gave us an idea of our position and our next steps, what we have to do. It clarified it. All of that was clarified in the first assessment meeting itself. So that gave us a clear path where we are headed. And once we did and we started taking action, then all along you guys were there guiding us, and then if we had any questions, that was they got clarified then and there. So that made it very easy for us to go one step, step by step throughout the process. Uh, but yeah, through each of those steps, nowhere did we find that there was delay in us, or us finding having to find answers elsewhere or anything. So you guys were, in terms of communications, you were available all the time, and then we were getting that information, so we could take those
Steps, yeah.
steps. Yeah, and then that meant that we progressed pretty well and very fast in this whole journey. Yeah.
And I mean, if you guys are happy, would you like to recommend our services to other people or friends or families if they're looking
Absolutely.
for to find a property and some extra education
Yeah.
where they can understand the process? Because what I've seen in my practice is that especially with the first-time home buyers,
Yeah.
people have a lot of different kind of questions and they are a bit confused from where we should start with.
Yeah.
So I try to sit with them. I always tell them that please see us, have some time at least for half an hour, 1 hour, so we can discuss about the options we have, your plans, your goals, what do you want to achieve, either you're an investor or you're a first time home buyer. So would you like to recommend our services?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and we will actually recommend to a lot of our friends who are
Thank you.
still planning to buy, even if it is first or even further up homes
Right.
as well, because um, the expertise that you've got and the knowledge of the finance ecosystem, that really helps people uncover options, so they can further their journey, even if it is not their first home.
Got it.
Um, yeah, definitely.
And how would you differentiate, like, if I ask, if you have to go to the bank for the same process in terms of time and other questions as compared to, like, you dealt with us, with the
Yeah.
with the mortgage brokers, with our team. How did you find that process?
Uh, Ease of communication of going through the process was the biggest plus, I would say. If it was a bank, then it's more of booking an appointment and then formally going and then uh, having your set questions answered and then get clarified. Where at the end of it, the bank is not acting in your interest. It's basically there to sell a product to you, which is a loan. Uh, but instead, in this case, when we are actually dealing with you, when you guys are supporting us through the process, it was very personalized, and um, it helped us choose the best thing for us, the best outcome, the best loan product for us. um, and yeah, that's an advantage.
So at the end of the day, you guys are happy.
Absolutely, we are
Yeah.
happy.
All
We
right.
are so glad we didn't even think of a bank, and we walked right into a mortgage working.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah,
All right. Thank you so much, Ibrahim, and thank you so much for your time. We really
you.
appreciate that.
No worries. Thank you so much.